The people.
Good people.
The people.
Everything's good about Lane.
Great people.
People are really helpful.
Because the people at Lane are very nice and very helpful.
I don't know, the people, actually, the way we work.
The camaraderie of the workers. It's like a family.
Oh, I think the ease of doing business, friendly service, and how we never quit.
A fun work environment.
Oh, don't get me started.
We're responsive.
Oh my.
People buy from the people that they tend to like to be with.
Because they know Greg.
It's all about Greg Burke.
He is Lane.
He's the best.
He's a good people person.
I thought you'd have something witty to say.
A very large, install base, successful projects behind us, great reputation on the street.
Our service to our clients, our attention to detail.
Attention to detail.
Attention to detail and our customer service.
Customer service.
Fantastic customer service.
And the loyalty towards customers.
Great service.
The serviceability.
Service.
You're not going to buy something from somebody who's a pain in the ass because you'd have to be with that person every week.
Lane goes the extra mile.
We take pride in what we do.
Good history.
And we follow it through from beginning to end.
And we keep our word.
That's what I want! Did you get that?